I actually sit on one of those standards body, and I was in one of those meetings a few weeks ago in Munich, and I can attest that it is very boring. But once something actually happens, it's really miraculous the kind of effect it can have. And I completely agree with how standardization and allowing different vehicles and different services from different companies to work together can really transform the industry. Because once, I mean, let's say Tesla. Tesla owners have range anxiety, so Tesla has to build superchargers everywhere. But once you allow Tesla owners to make use of any network that is out there and letting any truck use any drone that is out there to do last mile delivery, even the container, let the container contact rovers that will take things out of it. Once you allow that, you can dramatically reduce the cost for logistics, for freight, and that is something that can have an amazing impact on not just transportation, but the entire world. And I think the catalyst for that is having standards that allow different companies to work together using the same common language.